Well, today on Jeep Exploits, we're going to fix the Jeep because, well, I ran into a little bit of a problem. Now, I've tried everything from percussive maintenance to changing out the light bulb. That doesn't seem to work. There's nothing wrong with the light bulb in this light, yet it will not turn on the turn signal. I've traced the wires out using a meter, and as far as I can tell, I have connectivity. And I have electricity coming out of it as far as the connector goes, but the light itself will not light. So I think there's a problem internal to the light. So today I'm going to be changing them out with these LED huge C tail lights that I got from Amazon. Yes, I know I could have saved up and gotten the Oracle lighting, but some of us aren't made of money, you know. So I'm going to be replacing that with this today. So first things first, we're going to disassemble the light. Now, I'm going to keep these guards, so I'm taking that off first. That's why I'm taking out the extra 2 screws. Next, to remove the light, I have this little clip, which I'm going to release here and pull apart. Now let's get out our next light. I will put a link for these off of Amazon down in the description below if you're interested. I opted for the smoked light. So this is the right light. This one obviously will be the left. Left light. I'll go ahead and get those sorted and I'll get them on. Now, as you can see, I have it fitted into place. I'm now taking the plastic wrapper off there. It's a nice smoked look. I'm going to go ahead and reattach my screws, these 4 points, and then I should be done. Here you can see I have one on the driver's side and one that is the same on the passenger side. I'm going to go ahead and hop in the Jeep now and show you all the different lights. As you can see, it is quite a bit brighter than the stock tail light, and I think it gives a nice updated look to the back end of the Wrangler. Let me go ahead and replace the right tail light, and then I'll show you these in the dark as well. Well, the last one's in. Protective plastic is coming off, and that could not have been an easier install. So let's get this Jeep in the dark and see what it looks like. So there are the running lights. You can see it's a nice C, and it's sort of a neon look. It's not you don't get to see the LED bulbs themselves. Up next is the 4 ways, and you can see it just blinks these 2 bands of 3 red lights, top and bottom. And as you can see, when I pressed the brake lights came on. It has a little side marker to let you know what's happening, and I think it is a nice upgraded look for the Jeep. I also realized I didn't show you the backup lights. So here are the backup lights, as you can see, both installed. They're pretty bright, pretty nice upgrade, and I'm hoping that they're going to let me see better when backing this thing up at night. Well, that's all we have today at Jeep Exploits. I hope to see you next time for the next upgrade.